there, this is Lori from Rideshare Silver doing another quick video to show you how to schedule a ride in advance on Lyft if it is available in your city. It's not available everywhere. So if it is, let's go into the Lyft app. And if you don't have the Lyft app already, check out the description below and there's some free ride credits. You can download the app and use my promo code and get some free ride credits. So here we are in the app, and Lyft is going to assume that your pickup location is the current GPS location of your phone. And if that's not the case, we can change that, but they're going to first ask where your destination, where are you going? So let's go into here and let's set our destination. Now you can manually enter an address just by typing, or you can go down here and they have set on a map. So you go set on a map and you can actually drop a pin to where you want to go. And let's just say we're going to go to the airport. So here we are, we're going to the airport, okay? So we're going to set the destination right there. Now, if you need to change your current location and you need to change your pickup location, you can do it just by clicking current location, and as you can see, there's a little tool here to edit it. Now here's where you can manually enter your address. So I'm just going to hit this default, which of course I'm not there, but let's just do it for fun. And I'm going to confirm my pickup. Okay, so now I have a pickup location and I have a drop-off location. And in anytime you can edit those just by tapping on the upper line and tap Voodoo Donuts if you want to change your pickup location, tap United if you want to change the airline at the airport. So that's easily done. Now, if you look down here, I've just chosen the economy card. You can choose luxury or extra seats. That's up to you. But as you can see down at the bottom, it shows my payment method, and it shows that little tiny calendar. And this is how you schedule your ride. You can actually schedule up to a week out. So you can pick out your pickup date. We're just going to go, let's say we're going to do this on Saturday the 22nd. Okay. And then you can do your pickup time. If you tap on the first number, you can set the hour. If you tap on it, and it'll automatically go to the minutes, and you can tap the minutes just by scrolling that little clock arm around. And as you can see, you can set it up here from AM to PM. So I'm just going to say 4:45 battery power PM, and I'm going to say okay. So now we're going to set the pickup time. And there it is. Now all we have to do is hit schedule. So we're going to hit schedule, and it's now going out and it's scheduling the ride. Now the way you know that you have a ride scheduled is up here on the right hand corner. You're going to see the calendar up there. Now anytime you have a scheduled ride, that calendar is going to appear. If you don't have a scheduled ride, you won't see it. So this is where you know that it's scheduled, and you can go and double check that. So it's going to tell you I've got it scheduled Saturday, December 22nd, in a 10-minute increment, 4:45 to 4:55. And when you're going to be notified, it said when your driver confirms. So if you want to go in here, you cannot. If you want to try to go in here and edit the ride, you can't do it there. So what you would have to do is start all over if you wanted to edit it. But I'm going to go ahead and just cancel this ride. And it's as easy as just canceling it. There we go. The ride is canceled, and you can see up at the right-hand corner that little calendar is now gone, so you don't have any scheduled rides. But that's how easy it is to schedule rides. I find that this newer app is a lot harder than the last one for scheduling rides. It fights you as far as dropping pins. So hopefully this was helpful. If so, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, please do so in the comment section below. I'll try to answer to the best of my ability. So be safe out there, and hope to see you on the road.